Modi has said that India's digital public infrastructure offers scalable, secure and inclusive solutions for global challenges. Virtually addressing the G20 Digital Economy Ministers meeting in Bengaluru today, the Prime Minister stressed the unique opportunity with the G20 forum to lay the foundation of an inclusive, prosperous and secure global digital future. He has called upon G20 delegates to work on a global technology-based ecosystem to address the challenges faced by humanity.
Direct benefit transfer. This is a city that is home to science, technology, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. There is no better place than Bengaluru to discuss the digital economy. We have leveraged technology to transform governance, to make it more efficient, inclusive, faster, and transparent.